Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is subtraction in Vedic maths. In previous session, we have already discussed about the basic rules which you should know for the subtraction in the Vedic maths. Now, today we will discuss about the subtraction. But before starting subtraction in the Vedic maths, first of all, we will discuss about the traditional method. In traditional maths, how we used to do subtraction? One number is there 27 minus 14. Keep in mind we are doing it with the traditional method, traditional mathematics, okay? That is 7 minus 4. We used to start from the right hand side, right? 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Here no borrow, just simple subtraction, right? Now if number is 52 minus 48, as this number 2 is less than 8, we cannot subtract it, right? So what we used to do, cut this 2, write down 12, and here we used to reduce one number in traditional maths, right? So 12 minus 8, that is 4, and 4 minus 4, 0. So we used to take the borrow and we used to follow this method in the traditional maths. Now let's discuss about the Vedic maths. First we will start with the subtraction in Vedic maths with match combination. Now what is match combination? What is mismatch combination? That you can understand by the previous session, and link of that previous session is given below in the description box. You can go through it. Generally match combination is nothing but the upper number should be greater than the lower number. Here you can check that 6 and 4. 6 is greater than 4. This 4 is greater than 1. This 2 is greater than 1. 9 is greater than 4. 7 is greater than 5. Right? So, upper numbers are greater than the lower number. Then we can say that it is known as match combination. Now, let's start. As I have explained in earlier session, we should start this subtraction from the left hand side. In traditional math, we used to do from the right hand side, right? So, start with the left hand side. 4 minus 1. 3, sorry, 6 minus 4, that is 2. So, answer is 32. 7 minus 5. 2. 9 minus 4. 5. 2 minus 1. 1. Now answer is 251. Now let's discuss next. Start with the left hand side. 3 minus 1, that is 2. 6 minus 2. 4. 9 minus 5. 4. 8 minus 4. 4. It is quite simple because no borrow. This is the match combination. Now let's discuss about some examples which are having mismatch combinations and match combinations. I have written some examples. We need to solve it. Start from the right hand side. 25 minus 7. For the balancing, I am writing 0. 2 minus 0, that is 2. Right? Now 5 minus 7. 5 is less than this 7. So we can say it is a mismatch combination. Right? As it is mismatch combination, we cannot subtract 7 from the 5. So what we need to do? We need to find out tens complement of the 7. What we need to find out? Tens complement. If you want to study it in detail, please go through the previous session. Actually, tens complement is nothing but we need to identify the number. If we add this number in 7, then answer should be 10. What is the tens complement of the 7, that is 3, because 7 plus 3 is equals to 10, right? So what is its tens complement? 3. Understand? So we need to add this 3 with this, which is tens complement of 7. What we have done? We have added this 3 with 5. 5 plus 3, that is 8, right? And as this was the mismatch combination, we cannot write 2. We need to reduce it. So answer is 18. Hope you have got it. As we practice it, we will come to know in detail. Now, from this example, you may have understood that we should take care about the next pair. That is 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. But now look at the next pair. It is 6 minus 8. As 8 is greater than this 6, we can say it is a mismatch combination, right? So 3 minus 1 is 2, but we won't write 2, we will write 1, because next pair is a mismatch combination. Now 6 minus 8, we cannot do it, but what is its tens complement? Tens complement of the 8 is 2, because 8 plus 2 is 10. Now add this 2 with 6. 6 plus 2, that is 8. So 8. Okay, fortunately both answers are 18. Now let's move to the next example. 9 minus 5, that is 4. But what about the next pair? Look at this. 2 minus 6. 2 is less than this 6. We can say it is a mismatch combination, right? So write down 3 instead of 4. We need to reduce it by 1. What is the tens complement of 6? That is 4, right? Because 6 plus 4 is 10. Now add this 4 with this 2. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So answer is 36. Hope you have got the idea. In the next session, we will do the subtraction of the larger numbers. If more numbers are there, we need to do its practice. Whenever you do its practice, you will able to write it down quite easily. Let's practice some more examples. Now I won't write tens complement over here and add it. No arrows, no numbers. We will write it answers directly. See, 7 minus 5, that is 2. But what about the next pair? 2 and 4, it is mismatch. So 7 minus 5 is 2, but we won't write 2, we will write 1. Why? Because next pair is a mismatch combination, right? Now, what is the tens complement of 4? That is 6. 6 and 2. 6 plus 2, that is 8. 93 minus 89. 9 minus 8, that is 1. But what about the next pair? Next pair is a mismatch combination, right? So we won't write 1, we will write 0. 3 minus 9. 9 is greater than 3. So it is mismatch combination. What is the tens complement of the 9? That is 1. And 1 plus 3, 4. So answer is 0, 4. Now I am giving you just few seconds. You calculate it in your mind or in your notebook, and then we will discuss its answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, time is up. 6 fast. 6 minus 2, that is 4. But next is mismatch. So we will write 3 and it is mismatch. So 1 and 8, that is 9. Answer is 39. Verify it with your own answer. Hope your answer is also correct. If it is correct, congratulations. And if it is wrong, don't worry. Keep on practicing and you will get the correct answer. I am ending this session over here only. In next session, we will discuss about the large number subtraction. If you have enjoyed this session, like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have any difficulty, then you can write it in your comment, and if you have liked this video, you can also write the comments as well. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it right now. Thank you.